Kubor baman kesni, awalam shapi da unang yalam ni.
Pyllait Conrad ikas skim kabalatip kum ka CM inspired scheme. Kani ikas skim kalong ban Ïarap ikas Samla Pyllait kibai kon ik exam UPSC. San phoja ndakabenta ban penkrai ik exam bat shilak anda kilapendap ikan ik exam.
In the civil services has declined, and Meghalaya has not seen an indigenous candidate enter the IAS since 2013. Today, we take a decisive step to change that with the launch of CM Inspire. Through this scheme, candidates who clear the prelims will receive 50,000 rupees, and those who clear the mains will receive 1 lakh rupees, helping reduce the financial burden of preparation. This initiative is designed to empower meritorious candidates and encourage our youth to aim higher and serve the nation with dedication and pride. I encourage all eligible aspirants to apply through the Meghalaya Administrative Training Institute portal when applications open. To our young aspirants, believe in yourself. Stay committed to your goals and know that the government stands firmly with you on this journey. Pyllait, Mathela, and Jai Hind.
Banyo iki kubor baman kesni, sumhawan subscribe ika channel unang yalam news. Pyllait shibu.